Unlocking English, Mastering Object Pronouns. Hello everyone, and welcome to our new episode. Today, we are going to dive deep into a fundamental element of English grammar, object pronouns. If you've ever wondered what they are and how to use them, you're in the right place. Let's get started with the basics. An object pronoun, in English, is a type of personal pronoun that is normally used as a grammatical object. The object may be the direct or indirect object of a verb, or the object of a preposition. English object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For example, in the sentence, "She gave me a book," the word me is the object pronoun. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Direct object pronouns replace the direct object, which is the noun directly receiving the action of the verb. For instance, in the sentence, "I love you," you is a direct object pronoun because it's directly receiving the action of the verb, love. On the other hand, indirect object pronouns replace the indirect object, which is the noun indirectly affected by the action of the verb. For example, in "She sent him a letter," him is the indirect object pronoun, as it's indirectly affected by the action of the verb, sent. Object pronouns are also used after prepositions, such as to, for, with, at, and so on. For instance, in the sentence, "This gift is for her," her is the object pronoun following the preposition, for. Beware of common mistakes with object pronouns. Always remember, never use a subject pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, they, in place of an object pronoun, and vice versa. For example, never say, "She gave he a book." The correct sentence is, "She gave him a book." And there we have it, a crash course on using English object pronouns. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep on using these rules in your day-to-day English conversations and writings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next episode.